Hello guys, and welcome back to my XRP Coin News channel. Hey, how have you been? ZP, the chance of a return to 35 cents has passed. Profitable run. With yesterday's 2.43% drop, XRP two-day winning run came to an end, and the bearish environment generated by the Fed might put XRP at risk of testing the 35 cents territory. Ripple family's lows again. To put it simply, we have a solid community, having reached a price level not seen since late November. The asset's two-day winning streak was halted yesterday as a result of the surge of adverse views triggered by the U.S. macroeconomic situation. After the Federal Reserve raised interest rates by 50 bits per second on Wednesday, XRP dropped by 2.43% by Wednesday's conclusion, after gaining 1.71% and 2.1% on Monday and Tuesday, respectively. The U.S. macro climate slowed on Wednesday as information on the legal case between Ripple and the SEC slowed the effects of the FT collapse. On Wednesday, the bears put up strong resistance to XRP bullish run due to the lack of support for the asset from the broader crypto scene in the Ripple against SEC case. The markets did not react favorably to the Federal Reserve's interest rate increase of 50 basis points on Wednesday, which came on the heels of a speech by Jerome Powell and came after 4 straight rate hikes of 75 basis points. Benchmark interest rates reached their highest point in 15 years yesterday after an increase was announced, reaching 4.25% from 4.25%. As a result, the stock market and cryptocurrency markets reacted negatively, with the Nasdaq Composite falling by 0.76% and the S&P 500 falling by 0.61%. Both of these indices' winning runs of 2 days ended today. The decline of XRP was foreseen. In the wake of the FTC's demise, regulators and U.S. lawmakers have increased their monitoring of the cryptocurrency marketplaces. 4 witnesses, including FTC investor Kevin O'Leary, testified in an open hearing yesterday called by the Banking Committee to discuss the FTC scandal. Some people have even called for a total ban on cryptocurrencies as a response to the growing number of people demanding stricter regulation of the industry. The current need for heightened monitoring has put a lot of strain on the digital asset landscape, and the Federal Reserve's interest rate hike, which came despite positive reports on CPI data, hasn't helped. The U.S. macro climate will continue to influence market sentiments, with data on retail sales and jobless claims among others contributing to shifting investor preferences. The consequences of the macro conditions are expected to be overshadowed by case studies on regulation and news connected to Binance, notwithstanding updates on the SEC versus Ripple. Earlier today, U.S. congressional candidate Jan Walker appealed for the crypto community to rally behind Ripple in the face of an alleged SEC overreach. Meanwhile, if today's predicted Ripple settlement doesn't materialize, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson could face criticism. The XRP price report. XRP is down by 0.96% since the beginning of the day, putting it on track for another losing session. This comes after a decrease of 2.51% the day before. Price has dropped from 3,829 cents to 3,819 cents, a loss of 2.92% in the last 24 hours. Reclaiming the price point at 3,855 cents is key to XRP's progress toward the first crucial barrier at 3,956 cents. If the asset can make a small recovery to the 3,850 cents level, we may witness a shift to the first resistance zone in the market. A return to the 40-cent zone is possible if the asset can break through the 3,956 cents resistance level, with the next key resistance level located at 4,054 cents. Third, around 4,253 cents, a level reached over a month ago, is a big barrier for XRP. In case XRP fails to break through the key resistance level at 3,855 cents, the asset might fall to the first important support level at 3,757 cents as a result of the bears' continued antics in the initial support area. XRP's. Second, should the stock fail to stay above 37 cents, the 3,656 for XRP. The third support is at 3,456 cents. Kevin O'Leary, who has criticized Binance, has been called shameless by Ripple's chief technology officer. Kevin O'Leary was blunt in his assertion that Binance destroyed FTX. The cryptography community was shaken by the audacious declaration. To defend the insolvent Binance, the critic took $15 million from FTX. In response to popular Canadian entrepreneur Kevin O'Leary's testimony before the U.S. Senate yesterday, Ripple blockchain CTO David Schwartz gave an angry response. O'Leary claimed that Binance takes time away from company. According to Schwartz, O'Leary is unrepentant about telling lies, even when confronted with evidence to the contrary. The CTO went even farther, saying that if Binance was responsible for FTX's demise, it was a public benefit because it exposed the fraud and prevented more victims. Ripple will work with its partner in Africa to allow money transfers from 19 European nations. Nala, a Tanzanian fintech startup and agent of Modular, a Ripple partner, will shortly bring Ripple-enabled remittances from 19 European nations into Africa to facilitate frictionless transactions in the UK and Europe. Payments platform Modular and Ripple announced their alliance in February 2022. The combined services of these two fintechs are meant to facilitate instantaneous cross-border transactions for commercial entities. Finance tech backbone provided by Ripple's own RippleNet. As a result of its partnership with the Ripple partner, Nala was able to use Modular to enter the UK market as an electronic money directive agent. This past month, Ripple and MFS Africa, a digital payments gateway, made an official announcement of their presence in Africa. Ripple's on-demand liquidity solution for crypto-enabled payments will power MFS Africa's efforts to facilitate instant, cross-border mobile payments for businesses and consumers across Africa. Ripple's financial technology is behind it all. RippleNet. Evaluation and forecast of the XRP value. Token, the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market size, was trading at 38 cents at press time, after a daily fall of nearly 3%. The weekly chart for XRP shows that after U.S. inflation statistics slowed, the price spiked to 39 cents. Even if the Federal Reserve announced a minor reduction in interest rate hikes, the asset nevertheless dropped to 38 cents, and the potential for further correction was contained. There is little doubt that XRP is still hunting for ways to recover the pivotal 40-cent support level. If this occurs, the price could rise to 50 cents. Conversely, despite the general market receiving a relief rally from the favorable inflation news, the token could decline further below 37 cents if asset bulls fail to hold the current position. In this segment, XRP investors will be anticipating the asset's weekly performance based on metrics such as coin price. For the week ending December 18, XRP prices are expected to remain unchanged at 38 cents. In addition, the measures predict XRP will gain nearly nothing by the year 2022's conclusion. Learning the ropes of XRP. As the litigation between Ripple and SET has neared its conclusion, XRP has shown optimistic indicators in recent weeks. Coins rose in value alongside Ripple and achieved some minor victories, like as the acceptance of a supportive brief. Both sides have submitted their closing arguments and are now waiting for a verdict. A Finbold article quotes U.S. Attorney Jeremy Hogan as saying that the loss might go any of four ways. Either one side could win, the case could end in a draw, or the judge could issue an unexpected judgment. To be alerted immediately whenever a video is published on XRP News, please remember to hit the subscribe and notify buttons. You may see our other XRP history videos. In the meantime, you may catch us in the video below. See you out later. Bye.